Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change email preferences in VistaCreate. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to VistaCreate website. Simply type in create.vista.com and click on enter. You'll be directed to official homepage of VistaCreate. Now, click on the profile icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, go to Account Settings option. In the Account Settings, look for the section labeled as Email Preferences and click on it. You will see a list of different types of email you can receive, such as transactional, guides and update, promotions, weekly template, new graphic collection, blog newsletters. Use the toggle button to select or deselect the types of email you would like to receive. Once you have made a decision, click on Update My Preferences button at the bottom of the page to apply the changes. If you want to unsubscribe from all emails, you can either toggle this Unsubscribe from All button here and click on Update My Preferences. So these steps should help you adjust your email preferences in VistaCreate. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.